Want that drink that will help you to burn belly fat and lose weight? You're welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing the powerful fat burning drink combination that incorporates ginger, lemon, grape, cloves, and other ingredients I'm going to be mentioning. You possibly have these ingredients right in your kitchen right now. Go bring it out. Let's make this drink together. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Matt. I'm a nutrition expert, and on this channel, I help you to understand nutrition and use that nutrition that God has given to us to enjoy your health. So one of the ingredients we'll be using ginger. Ginger helps to boost metabolism, reduce bloating, and help to curb craving, making it a must-have for weight loss and in this drink, okay? And second ingredient we'll be using clove. Clove helps with digestion, stabilizes your blood sugar, and enhances that fat burning, keeping your weight in check. So you see, it's a must to have it in this drink. Turmeric with its active compound curcumin reduce inflammation and prevent fat accumulation, especially around that belly area. All right, so we'll be using lemon too. Lemon help you to satisfy your liver, flush out that toxins, that bad stuff, and boost digestion, keeping your belly flat and healthy. So if you have those ingredients, go bring them out. Let's see that and do this together. Okay, so we'll be juicing the lemon. You can either juice it manually or use a slow juicer. I prefer to use a slow juicer because I can get quality juice from it. So what I do now is dice up all the ingredients together like you see me doing the video. Don't scrape out the skin of the ginger and the turmeric. They are very important for this drink, so don't skip anything. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, let me connect with you, let's know where you're joining from. All right, now I prefer to juice this my lemon like you see, because I'm able to get much lemon juice when I juice like this. So the chaff I'm not throwing it away because I'll be using it after blending up everything together like this in my blender. So what I do is I add the quality water, like 4 cups of water, to blend this. You can add more water depending on what the quantity you want. So yeah, I added just 4 cup of water, and I'll be adding it into my pot, making the heat very, very low. Add in the lemon chaff like you see here, adding my lemon chaff to it, and that peel I'm not letting it go because I've already washed it properly. So make sure you always wash your peel properly so that I can use it like this. So I add it and allow it to cook very, very low. So that I'll be adding now black pepper because of the turmeric. Then the next thing we'll be adding is grape. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, and they help you to burn fat, regulate blood sugar, and improve digestion. So it is very important that you don't skip adding grape to it. So I will squeeze out the juice of the grape too. I add it to the lemon juice. Keep it aside because I'll be using that for later as well. So the chaff of the grape, I'm going to be adding it into the mixture I have in my pot on fire right now. Add everything together and we'll cook on a very, very low heat. All right, please, if you are still watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Look how beautiful this looks, right? Okay, so we cook it on a very low heat. Don't forget Ceylon cinnamon. We're adding Ceylon cinnamon to this. Tear it up and allow it to cook on a low heat, like I say. See, if you are on this channel and you're struggling with weight, where you're not even supposed to struggle with your weight loss, okay? Please, I have these different videos on this channel, like this one that talks about drinks for belly fat. I have recipe for salad, different things. Please check them out, okay? Now look at the juice. So I'll be adding the juice later on. Allow the mixture I cooked to cool down properly so I can sieve it out and add that my juice to it. Okay, so please, if don't forget to, I'll be dropping in the description below other videos I have that can help you to lose weight, salads, drinks, exercises, different things that can help you to lose your weight. Okay, I'll be dropping them in the description below, so please check them out. Okay, pair all these things together, pair them with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. You watch that belly fat disappear in no time. Okay, so I'm going to drop in the comment section below and description below free 3 days weight loss meal plan ebook. If you're interested, you can grab it and go use it. Okay, so into my mixture that I strain out, I'm adding that grape and the lemon juice. So I'm going to mix it up together so that everything can well incorporate. If you let me know when you make this, let me know your results. Okay, I would like to know what happened in 1 week after drinking this. And this is expected to be taken first thing in the morning and last thing at night every day. Okay, you can add in extra lemon juice depending on what your body can take. You can add extra lemon juice when you want to drink this. Add it, put it in your bottle, keep them in the fridge. You can add them in the cube like this and use it anytime you want to. Just take a cube, put it in hot water, and you are good to go. You see, this is very important that you don't miss out this thing. Yeah, let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you're making this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.